Are you still stuck in the cycle of living paycheck to paycheck? Don't worry, most people are in their 20s, but I'm going to show you how you can start building real wealth today, no matter what you earn. Let's dive in. The secret to building wealth isn't just about how much you earn, it's about how much you keep and grow. The rich focus on building assets, things like stocks, real estate, and even knowledge. On the other hand, most people focus on income and liabilities, things that drag them down like debts, loans, and expensive purchases. The first tip to wealth building is saving consistently. You don't need to save huge amounts at first. Even saving 500 rupees a month will add up over time. The key is consistency. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow, thanks to the magic of compound interest. Now that you're saving, it's time to make your money work for you. Don't just let it sit there. Invest in assets that can grow over time, like stocks, mutual funds, or real estate. The more you build assets that appreciate in value, the faster your wealth will grow. Tip number 3 is all about avoiding common traps that keep people poor. The flashy car, the expensive phone. These are status symbols that can leave you with debt. Instead of impressing others, invest in things that actually make you money. Debt doesn't make you richer. It only holds you back. In summary, building wealth isn't about making a ton of money overnight. It's about making small but consistent changes, saving, investing, and avoiding liabilities. Start small and take it one step at a time. If you follow these tips, you'll be on your way to financial freedom. Subscribe to Moneyfied for more tips on how to take control of your financial future.